Look around you. Everything seems normal, right? But what if I told you there's an entire hidden world, a world of heat signatures and energy leaks, happening right in front of you, completely invisible to the naked eye? A world where electrical faults glow like beacons, where missing insulation is as clear as day, and where a water leak reveals itself before it ever damages your home. Today, we're pulling back the curtain. We've tested the latest models to bring you the definitive list of the 5 best thermal imaging cameras of 2025. The results, especially for our number 1 spot, will change how you see everything. Starting at number 1. FLIR K55 TIC. Top performer. Our field tests highlighted the K55's proficiency in low heat conditions. The advanced imaging significantly aided navigation through smoke and identifying heat sources in subdued environments. The high frame rate enabled effective strategy formulation and decision-making. While its cost is considerable, the targeted functionality, extensive storage, and warranty underline its value in professional firefighting contexts. Overall, the FLIR K55, with its specialized capabilities in search and rescue mode, reaffirms its status as a top choice for specific thermal imaging needs in firefighting. In essence, the FLIR K55 is a robust and reliable thermal imaging camera designed to help firefighters perform at their best. Its enhanced image quality, impressive storage capacity, and robust warranty make it a worthy investment for any firefighting operation. Number 2. FLIR K53. Reliable clarity for every firefighter. The FLIR K53 distinguishes itself from other thermal imaging cameras through its compactness and high-resolution capabilities. We found its performance on the fire range commendable, especially given its ability to navigate smoke-filled environments and accurately locate heat sources. Despite its higher price point, the robust battery life and overall reliability make it a worthy investment. Its user-friendly design facilitates ease of use, even in challenging conditions. This, combined with its detail-oriented thermal imaging, places the FLIR K53 as a top contender in our list of thermal cameras for firefighting operations. Number 3. FLIR K2 with MSX. Compact innovation at your fingertips. Adding to the thermal imaging landscape, the FLIR K2 with MSX technology is a welcomed entrant. With its advanced technology, it's an excellent choice for individual firefighters who want to equip themselves with reliable thermal imaging tools. I was particularly struck by the innovative MSX technology during my time with the FLIR K2, as it bolsters thermal images with additional visual details for improved clarity and sharpness. However, I did notice that the refresh rate can be a bit slow, which might affect performance during fast-moving situations. Additionally, the software isn't compatible with Mac computers, which could be a drawback for some users. Minor issues aside, the FLIR K2 with MSX is a dependable choice for those searching for budget-friendly, advanced thermal imaging. It might not be perfect, but it's a step in the right direction for individual firefighters looking to invest in their own gear. The performance of the FLIR K2 with MSX on the fire training facility was commendable, handling the high temperatures and challenging conditions with ease. It showcased its capability as a reliable tool for firefighters, providing clear thermal images enhanced by the MSX technology. The compact design and lightweight nature made it easy to handle and operate during testing. Despite the slower refresh rate, the device's overall performance was impressive, delivering its promise of providing an affordable, advanced thermal imaging solution for individual firefighters. Number 4. FLIR TG267. Overall best infrared camera for thermal imaging. The FLIR TG267 is a great, no-nonsense thermal imaging camera that's easy to configure and can be used straight out of the box. The camera enclosure is IP54 rated, protected from dust and water, and can withstand a drop of 2°C in temperatures ranging from -25°C to 380°C. This, as well as its other features, makes it the best thermal imager on the list. FLIR's own MSX technology superimposes a digital image over the thermal one to give you exceptional image clarity on its 2.4-inch LCD screen. Plus, you can store up to 50,000 images on the device if you need to, images that can also be transferred to your computer either wirelessly or using a USB-C cable. This thermal camera has a laser bullseye that helps you pinpoint exactly what you want a reading of. It also comes with a thermocouple probe for more accurate readings when checking heating, ventilation, or air conditioning systems. While it's not the newest camera, it's still a solid option for those who are looking for an affordable and versatile handheld camera. However, if you're looking for a higher resolution, try the Hikma 20 for a similar price. Number 5. FLIR One Gen 3. Best value. This is one of the daintier imaging cameras out there, made to attach to your phone. There's no need for an adapter to fit it to your phone even if your phone is bulky or you have a thick protector. A thumb wheel adjusts the length of the micro USB-C. It has 2 cameras, a visible light camera and a thermal camera. The visible light camera's high-pass filter provides a constant outline beneath the thermal image, so you always know exactly what you're looking at. The app is easy to use, and with it, you can make the kind of adjustments, emissivity, palette, that will help you get the most out of it. If you need more resolution and you can add an extra $50 to $100, you can check out the... And there you have it. The power to see heat, to diagnose problems before they become disasters, and to uncover what's hidden is now at your fingertips. Whether you're a pro or a curious DIYer, there's a perfect tool on this list for you. Ready to unlock your supervision? All product links for your buy are in the video description below. If this guide opened your eyes to a new world of possibility, support the channel, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs to see the unseen, and subscribe. Because next week, we're using the winning camera to hunt for ghosts in a 100-year-old house, and you won't believe what we find. Stay curious.